Like a tombstone? No, not like a tombstone. What are these called? These are
Gravestones.
grave. No.
It is a tombstone, like a coffin.
A coffin. We're gonna make it our welcome entrance sign.
Whoa.
You wanna paint it?
Yeah. But we have our paintbrush and paint.
Oh, look. What kind of paints are these?
Look at all the colors.
Oh, these are some good colors.
There's a rainbow in here.
There's a lot of colors. Look at all these colors. Do you need any other ones? What colors are you gonna need?
Maybe
Well, you need white. Do you have white in here? It does have white. Ooh, white.
brown.
Brown. Yes. You need some red for some blood.
Black.
It has black too? I think this is it.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, it's so cool. Look at all this stuff. You got your brush set?
Yep. Just in case for any details, if I need to spread out, tiny details, and a little bit bigger detail, big details.
Cool. All right. Let's go back home.
Yeah, let's go color this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my show. Today we're gonna color a Halloween decoration. We made it a paint by number.
We did make it paint by number. So if you look at the set, we numbered each one of the colors and we turned around and we numbered the decoration.
Yeah, so
Ooh, scary.
and we colored it in the numbers so I know what we're gonna color.
All right, so it looks like we're ready here with your paints. We're gonna decorate this coffin, and we have your brushes. Let's get started. What color are we gonna start with?
With number 1, that's
Number
white.
1 is white.
So I can pull everything up so I don't get in my paint thingy. Let's start with the ribs.
You know when you were a baby, you used to always want to color by numbers.
Or
I used to always love numbers. Have you ever painted a board this big?
no.
It's pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, coloring.
Yep.
It's a spooky, scary skeleton. Spooky, scary skeleton. You put your left foot in, take your right foot out. Put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, that's a good song. Yeah, we're almost done. Yeah, I think we're done now. Now we can do these little bones here. This is easy. Ooh, that looks cool. This might be too much paint. Oopsie. That might be the last one. Might have too much paint.
It's okay.
Now we can do the body.
You can do his ribs.
Yes. I think it's called rib cage because it looks like a cage. Ah, help me. I'm stuck in the cage. Rib cage?
Does this remind you of when you used to play on your tablet? Coloring?
Yep.
Coloring by numbers.
Yeah. Foolish mothers. the right here looks like a smile. It looks like a smile.
Your ribs look like they're smiling?
Yes.
What's this guy's name?
Give me Ben.
Ben?
Yeah.
Ben Skellington?
Yeah. Because skeletons like to bend over. And we're almost done. And we're done with the body.
Yay!
Yeah, that was cool. Yes, there. And now we can color the arm right here. That's the arm. I think there's just one arm.
More paint?
Yep. Now let's color that pinky. I probably didn't need that little dot.
That's the kneecap.
Kneecap was a kneecap.
It's the little thing that protects your two bones.
Very spooky skeleton. Very spooky skeleton. It actually looks pretty good, huh? It's starting to dry a little more solid. How are you gonna see? Maybe kind of yellow, no? Just village 2. We can leave one color. Leave one color. Let's go around the two. He's so spooky.
Okay, let's do the color orange.
Here, help me.
There. Okay, number 4 is orange.
Welcome.
Yep.
All right, let's see how that comes out. Good. One more.
Is that?
It's an E.
Why does the E look like that?
It's a fancy E.
Okay, I'm done with the letters.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to my scary mansion.
Okay, now we can do number 3. Number 3 is the color red.
Red. Bright red.
Yep. And it's gonna be the blood.
That's gonna be the blood right there?
Yep.
All right, let's see.
Okay, we're done with the red blood. Okay, now I can do number 12. Number 12 is purple.
Nice. That should be enough.
Good. Okay.
Alright. Color your letters. Foolish mortals.
What does foolish mortals mean?
Foolish means like you don't know any better. And we're all mortals. It means we don't live forever.
We're gonna do the number 15. It is great. Now we can start the little brush so we can do that inside of the ribs. Okay.
Ooh, and I work on all the big areas. Just do all these big spots like right here, right here. You have to go up to the...
Alright, so we're going to work on some of the close-up details and then we'll be right back.
Yep. Now we're gonna do number 16. 16 is black.
Black.
Okay, let's do
Black is
four.
for the edges.
Yep.
Oh, let's look how it looks so far.
Yep.
So, we finished touching up the gray and the red and the blood. The orange welcome the purple foolish mortals.
And the skeleton.
Hey, looking pretty cool, man.
We're done!
Yeah, look at this. Welcome, foolish mortals.
Oh.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a great decoration for in front of the house.
Yeah. Don't forget. Summer's gone.
Summer!
Summer's the best season.
Now it's fall.
No.
Goodbye, summer.
Goodbye, summer. Hello, fall.
And now that summer has passed, only fall shall remain.